Friday the 13th, 2026. This will be our first and maybe only video of Friday the 13th, 2026. Another Scenic Georgia back road. I don't think I've been down through this one. I go by it all the time, but I don't think I've actually turned and come down through here. So this should be a new one. 520, close to 60 degrees. Going down to about 35, 37 tonight. We may be heading down to South Georgia, St. Mary's area. Start heading down Sunday. Maybe we don't know for sure yet. There's an interesting gnarly pine tree. What kind of little gnarly little trees were those, I wonder? Recognize them back there. Nice shop. And a mobile home down there on the creek. That's a nice place. Several new things. Like I said, down here in these what used to be rural, but now are, I guess you can barely call them agrarian. New stuff, remodeled stuff is being peppered in everywhere. These little feeder roads are going to be contributing to traffic over the next 10 years. And this stretch of 129 between Athens and I-85 Jefferson is being developed very quickly. Okay, left or right at Oak Street? Where are we headed? Cane Creek Road. I do not know where this takes us either way. Mobile home there, the cleared lot. I mean, there is Georgia is blowing up. New chicken houses. Well, they don't look too new. They're just modern, a little bit more modern, but they're not. Those aren't new. That shop was new, but. A lot more residential down through here than you would have thought, or than I would have thought. Pecan orchard. This looks like it's going to be taking us back towards 129. Curvy and hilly than I would have thought. This is Jackson County. We're getting close to Athens Clark. More pecan trees over to the left. think. No, maybe not. No, that's a nice gated place there, though, wasn't it? Y'all may not have seen it. No, I just thought we were coming out at a place where I recognized daffodils over there next to the creek. I didn't see anything of an old home site. A lot of times you'll see these jonquils, daffodils, on a hill or out in the woods next to an old home site. We're heading back south towards Athens. And sort of west. We're going to be heading towards the sun, towards 129. More pecan trees. Okay, stop sign. Where are we? Okay, I do recognize this. Well, he's just stopped there forever. Sure looking at us awful hard. Some repaving. We've got another cap to put on this. It's not finished. We picked up that other truck at that stop sign, and he's right on our bumper. Hey, why don't you come around? He's peeping around. You've got plenty of time. Come on. People like that are irritating. I mean, come up on you and then come around. I mean, you had plenty of time. Come up, just don't sit back there on somebody's bumper. Okay, now I do know where this comes out. To the right will take you up to 129. The left will end up taking us over here to 441. I've got a plastic alligator out there in that pond. Normally turn right here, but we're going to go straight. Yeah, okay, that guy dropped off just then. That's good. And we'll be crossing the North Oconee somewhere around here. Unless this doubles us back to the west before we cross it. Goats walking around out there. I didn't see any kind of fence. They may have gotten out of their enclosure. Lens needs to be cleaned. It looks funky. Jefferson Pentecostal Church. That lens. I don't think that did anything, did it? Maybe on the inside on the screen I'm looking at, or it may be nothing to it. Bluff Estates. Yeah, we were going east towards Athens, now we're going west towards Jefferson. Crooked Creek. We've headed further back towards Jefferson than I intended to go, but whatever. Nice winter afternoon drive. Okay, what are we coming up to? We're going to turn left and head back to 129. And as we're heading into the sun, we'll probably go ahead and turn this off. This is New Kings Bridge. I know where this is going to come out. It's going to be a mess trying to get out on. 129. This intersection has gotten really busy up here, and it's going to get a lot worse. They're building a huge park up here. Okay, let's go ahead and turn it off. The sun's going to be right in our eyes.